Kom, Kai.
Ja, hvad siger du, Kai? Hvad siger du, Kai, til Frederikke? Frederikke er så mæt. Hun kan slet ikke... Hun spiser så meget mælk. Ja, hvad siger du? Kai. Kai, kig op, Kai. Kai, kig op. Ja, det var bedre. Ja, hvad siger du? Oh.
Yes. Very good kick.
Oh, why? Are you excited? Okay.
Are you getting stuck? Oh, that's what you did. Yeah.
You are making naughty noises, Kai.
Okay. Yes, Kai. Yes. Is he liking it?
I think he's more frustrated. He wants to move. Okay.